get the PES 2022 mod on your device. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys how it works. So let's just give it a minute for it to load, and you guys are going to see the magic. I mean, this is insane. So let's just give it a second. You gotta be patient with this stuff, but let's just let it load, and I'm going to get into it and show you guys how it works. It's super crazy, guys. This is just awesome. So let's just wait for it to load up here, as you guys can see, and look at my resources. They're going crazy. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download this onto your device and get a ton of resources just like me. So it's super cool. You can see right here, this is just super cool. So let's get on with the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So if you're using an iPhone, guys, go over to settings, and there are a few options to change. So first, we're going to go to general, find background app refresh, and make sure this is turned on to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Doesn't matter, guys, but make sure it's turned on. So once you've done that, go back, and there are a few more options we're going to change to better prepare the device. So the next thing we're going to do, guys, is go to battery and make sure low power mode's off. You know it's on because your battery percentage will be yellow. So make sure low power mode is turned off. Once you've done that, guys, go to App Store and make sure automatic downloads is turned on. This should be on by default, but if it's off, make sure you turn it on. Once you've done that, you're good to go. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go to this amazing website. Okay, so once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in PES 2022. Now, you can also scroll around if you want, but I just think the search bar is the easiest and fastest way to go ahead and do this. So I'd highly encourage you guys to try it. All right, so I'm going to go to the search bar and type in PES 2022. So let me just do that right here. I'm just going to type it in. Okay. All right, so once it comes up, guys, you just want to go ahead and press on it. And you can also put in the full name of the app, but that doesn't really work usually. I just put PES 2022 and it pops up. So you want to press start injection and wait until the bar reaches the end, and it should download straight onto your device. So let's just let it load here. As you guys can see, just be patient, let it do its thing, and it will be on your device before you know it. So just give it a second. As you can see, it says injecting. All right, starting injection. So once it is done, guys, it's going to bring us to the final step, where we have to do a quick verification. Now, what we need to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. These are completely for free, and they're from the official App Store, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and download 2 of these apps, and we're going to be good to go. It's going to take me over to the App Store, and I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a minute for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see, and I'm going to download it. So let's just wait, and now while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download a second app. So you want to make sure that you download at least 2 of the apps, or this is not going to work. So for my next app, I'm going to download Evertail. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just wait for it to redirect me here. And I'm going to go on my home screen, wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen, see if they're done. So I'm going to open it up. So for this app, I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email address. Very easy to do. Each app's going to have different instructions, different stuff you have to do, but this is what I had to do. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. I'm going to put in my email address. Let me just type this in right here. As you guys can see, really not that difficult, guys. So I'm just going to type it in. So I think I've spent a decent bit of time on this app. So now I'm going to go on to the other app, which is the Evertail, which is a game. So I'm just going to run it here and just do some basic interactions. Do bear in mind, they're always going to be different, but for this game, I just had to press around the buttons, and we should be all good to go. So I'm just going to let this download here, as you can see. All right, and I'm just going to play through it right here. Really not that difficult, and then we should be all good to go. So I'm just running it here, as you guys can see. All right. And I think I've spent a decent bit of time on this, but I am going to run it just for a little bit more to make sure it works. So anyways, once you're done, guys, just open up your game and you'll have a ton of resources. I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely try it out for yourself. Get the word out with this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. This is an amazing trick. Awesome stuff. Definitely try it out. It's so cool. So let's just wait for it to load so you guys can see. I mean, this is just crazy. So let's just wait, and it's loading up right now. All right, and you guys are going to see the magic, so let's just give it a second. This is super cool. So let's just wait for it to load, and there you go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Try it out right now while it's still working. This is crazy stuff, guys. I can't even believe it works. So yeah, super awesome. I really think you guys are going to like it, and it works super good for me. I haven't had any issues with it, so I think that's going to be the same story for you guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out. It's super good. We'll see you guys later.